Welcome to AZ Solutions. My name is Analia Pisani and I will be showing you how to customize a training session so that when you're delivering, you can deliver it to various different audiences, all done from one PowerPoint presentation. So rather than duplicating and then getting rid of certain slides, that tends to be a nightmare. So what I'm going to show you is in the Slideshow tab up the top here. Now from the left-hand side area here, you'll see an option here that says Custom Slideshow. When you click on Custom Shows, you can create a name for this batch or this group. So I'm going to press the button for New, and I'm going to now name it. For example, this group is for, let's say, just for the staff. So I might call it staff and then add only the slides that are relevant for the staff. Now I start that on the left here by just ticking the particular slides that I want to transfer across. So just pick a handful here and move those across by hitting the add button. So now I have 7 slides out of a total of 17 slides that I'm going to display or show, but just for this group. I'm going to hit OK now and repeat the process and choose another group or another audience that I would deliver to. So let's say New again. Let's say the audience that I would want to deliver certain slides to is, let's see, who could we pick? Customers. So we can just simply call it customers. And then choose the particular number of slides that we want to deliver if we're delivering this, but to customers instead. So I'll send them the ones that relate to courses and the Excel and the Word training that we do, and then maybe the last slide which says make a booking. So I'll press the add button again. That transfers across the slides over to the right-hand side. Okay, so now I have 2 groups that I want to send through mostly the same presentation, mostly the same slides, but it just saves me pressing the option for hide and unhide slides. It's too easy to make that kind of a mistake once you have your audience there. Now, so I've created the custom show, but how do I display this? All right, so I'm going to close from here, run the show as if I'm going to run it normal from the beginning. So I could press either F5 or from the slideshow tab, press the button on the left which says from beginning. So either way, start running your show. Now, before the audience sits down, what I'm going to do is right mouse click on the screen, and what you're going to see is an option that pops up amongst the list that says custom show, and then off to the right are the 2 groups that I created. So now I'm going to select the one for staff. And you'll see that when I select the one for staff, it'll run through only those slides that I selected for the staffing option. So these are all the slides that I've selected if I was to deliver to the staff. There we go, that's the end of the show. Let's do that again. So run the show again, F5 this time, for example. Now right click again. When I right click, I'll go to custom show, this time choose the option for customers. You'll see that the slides that I've chosen for customer are different. So the first 2 slides were the same, but the following slides are completely different. And there's no need for me to remember to hide, unhide. I mean, it's fine when you've got, 10 or 20 slides, but I have seen people have 60, 70, 100 slides, and memorizing and remembering to hide and unhide particular slides when you're about to deliver, you've got plenty of other things on your mind. The last thing you need is something like that. So that's customizing your slideshow for your different audiences. You might also notice that what I've got going down the bottom here is subtitles. That's a relatively new feature that's available for PowerPoint, but I'm going to talk about that in my next YouTube. So thank you for watching. My name's Analia Pisani, and if you want some virtual training or even face-to-face training and you're in Sydney, Australia, look us up, azsolutions.com.au. You can also see the subtitles aren't working 100%. Now, that could also be from your connection. I noticed I did this earlier and the connection wasn't that great. I'm now using Hotspot. It could be also getting used to my speech. This is the first time that I'm actually using those subtitles, so it may take a little while to warm up to your speech as well. So that's also something to take into consideration if you're going to decide to use that feature. Also, based on your audience and what their English or your particular language level is like, as to whether that feature will work or not work for you guys. Thank you for watching.